Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a little Sephora haul because I stopped at Sephora the other day and I just kind of went crazy when I was in there. There was just a lot of cute stuff that I was seeing, so I went a little overboard on shopping, and so I thought it would be fun to do a little haul for you guys. And shout out to one of my subscribers for recommending this as an idea for a video. It's not like a huge Sephora haul or anything. I would say it's like a little mini Sephora haul compared to some of the others that I've seen on YouTube. But I think it's still a fun idea just to show some of the things that I've been wanting to try lately. So that is exactly what we're doing in today's video. Before we get into it and I show you everything that I ended up getting at Sephora the other day, please make sure to give this a huge thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel, you guys. Let's keep growing, let's keep going. I appreciate it more than you can ever know, so thank you so much. But if you want to see all the stuff I got in this big Sephora bag, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, so like I said, I have a nice big heavy Sephora bag here. Let me count and see. Actually, I'm not even gonna count because there's some big things, there's some little things. I might miscount some things. I'm not gonna go in any particular order with this. I'm just gonna grab whatever I see first and then we'll go from there. This is all just things that I've been wanting to try, like products that I've been hearing good things about, or just products that caught my eye when I was at Sephora and I knew I wanted to try because they were kind of up my alley for makeup that I think that I would like. So that's what this whole thing is, and I'm hoping that I really love everything in here. So the first thing that I'm grabbing was another Dr. JART Cryo Rubber with Brightening Vitamin C mask. It's like a rubber mask. I've talked about these actually a few times on my channel because they are so freaking good, you guys. These masks make my face bright like nothing in the world could. Every single time I wear, especially the brightening mask, I take it off after the time that it tells you to keep it on for, and my face is literally glowing. Like, it is stunning. Nothing compares to these, so I will never let myself run out. I will keep buying them until they discontinue them, which I hope is never because they're really, really good. But the other product that I got also from Dr. JART, I haven't tried yet, so I wanted to give it a try and see how it works. As you guys know, my skin has been playing tricks on me lately and it does not want to cooperate with me. So I got the Dr. JART Focus Spot Blemish Micro Tip Patches with vitamin B3. So I guess these are just supposed to help with pimples to hopefully like make them smaller or like dry them out or something. Kind of like the zit stickers, but I'm hoping that this doesn't take off my self-tan like the zit stickers do, because those I found work pretty nice, but whenever I have self-tan on my face, it literally just takes the self-tan right off and I have like a big pale circle wherever I had a blemish. So I'm hoping that these don't do that, but we'll see. As long as they work, I'm a happy girl. The next thing that I got is from Rare Beauty. It's the Stay Vulnerable Liquid Eyeshadow in Nearly Neutral. I really, really wanted to try one of the eyeshadows, like the liquid shadows from the brand, because I really love, I'm sure you guys already know this, but I really love effortless makeup. But like I said, I got the Nearly Neutral shade. This is what it looks like inside. It's almost like a lipstick or liquid lipstick or gloss. But I'm just gonna swatch a little bit for you guys so we can see what this looks like. Really pretty. I wonder if you could use this as a lip product too, because I like this color for lips too. It's like a really, really nice everyday kind of shade. That's why I grabbed this one. Like, you could do this for work, you could dress it up with another little glitter, whatever, for a night out. So this is a very, very, I feel like, universal kind of shade. But the next thing that I got is from LILAH B. It's the Lovingly Lip Tinted Lip Oil. And I got the shade Be Romantic. So let me just open this up, if I can open it. I love the packaging that Lila B does. Like the frosted glass with the gold just gets me every time. But it's really, really lightweight. So this is what this looks like. Again, obsessed. Like, how could you not like this packaging? Are you kidding me? It's this really pretty pinky shade. So this is what it looks like, and I love this doe foot applicator. It's so big and nice. I love big ones like this. So let me just do a little swatch of this next to that eyeshadow. This is what that looks like. So it's super subtle, but it definitely has like a pink hint to it. And yeah, when I rub it in, it turns a little bit more subtle. Like the intense pinkiness of it kind of dilutes a little bit, I guess. That's probably gonna be like more so an everyday kind of lip product for me because I need something that's gonna hydrate my lips. It's winter and it's cold and my lips are taking a toll, so I needed that in my life, okay? The next thing I got was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I know I got 2 of these for the giveaway that I'm doing, and I got a little jealous, I'm not gonna lie, because I love this so much. So I was like, I need one of these, I'm getting one. So here we are. It's just like the best face mist you could ever ask for. It's so fine, it smells so good. It just makes your face look and feel really, really nice. So I had to get that. So here's what this looks like inside. So it's this really nice like liquid, and then when you open this up and spray, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see, but like it's so, I don't think you can tell, but it's so fine. I'm gonna spray some on me. Yeah, like no chunks spit out at you, and I feel like it just brings my makeup back to life, if that makes sense. Like it just makes me glow, and I just feel so hydrated after putting that on. I love that stuff. The next thing I got is from NARS. It's the Radiance Primer. I've already talked about this in some of my other videos. It's just a refill. I ran out of it because I've been using it so much. I just love how it makes my face look, and it has SPF in it, so it's like a perfect everyday primer. This is what it looks like on. Like just dot it on a little bit, and then when you spread it, it's like the most beautiful, glowy, radiant primer, and it feels so hydrating on the face, so I had to get another one of that. The next thing I got, I'm so excited to use. It's one of the Patrick Ta blushes, and it's the Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush in the shade She's Passionate. So of course you guys already know it's a peachy blush, because what else do I even use? But let me show you what it looks like on the inside. You are going to freak out. It's so beautiful. So this is what the packaging looks like. I love Patrick Ta's packaging. It's like rose gold on rose gold. And what more could you ask for, to be honest? It's just beautiful. And this is what the inside looks like. Are you kidding me? It is stunning. Like the perfect peachy coral tone. Let me swatch for you guys. It feels so buttery smooth too. It's just everything you could ask for in a blush, and it's made by Patrick Ta, so you already know that it's amazing. But let me just show you a little bit of what this looks like on the back of my hand. Look at this. Like that is going to look perfect on my cheeks. I already want to put it on right now because I know it's gonna look amazing, and I've been dying to try this. I'm so excited that I finally own it, and now I can finally use it and abuse it. But the next thing that I got, I've also been wanting to try for a hot minute, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. So I got the mini of it, and this is what it looks like. So cute, and I bet it's amazing. Let's just spray a little bit on my face so I can see what it feels like. Okay, so it feels really good and really refreshing. The only thing I will say is that the sprayer that's on here, it's like one of those standard sprayers, so it was kind of spitting chunks out, like bigger globs of product on my face. But it's Charlotte Tilbury, so I think I can get past it. If it's a good setting spray, I will repurchase because Charlotte Tilbury has not let me down yet, and I just don't see it happening. So the next product I got is also from Charlotte Tilbury, and I've been seeing commercials about this. I've been seeing amazing reviews about this all over the place, so I had to get it. And it is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. Like I said, everyone and their mothers have been raving about this, so I needed to try it for myself to see what the hype is about. I love the packaging as usual. I love the pink, rose gold, brown, everything, but I just want to see what the applicator looks like. Okay, so it's not too thick. Like, it's gonna be easier to catch all your individual lashes, but it's not so thin where you know it's not gonna do anything for you. So I definitely have high hopes for this. I'm praying that it does my lashes good because I've been looking for a new go-to mascara. I still have yet to find one that beats the Benefit Roller Lash, but maybe this will take the cake. We will see. The other product that I bought is the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer, and I got the shade Oat. I've been hearing so many good things about this as well. I just keep hearing that it gives you such an airbrushed look on your under eyes, which I have been needing, you guys. I just got filler on my tear trough or my under eyes, so that really helped. I have very, very hollow under eyes genetically. That's just the way it's always been for me, which is fine, but I wanted to just try out tear trough filler and see kind of what it would do for me, and I'm really, really liking the results so far. So I'm hoping that means I won't I'm hoping that means I won't need as much concealer as I have been using, but I've been dying to try this, and I'm just hoping that it makes this effect that much more beautiful. But this is the shade I got. I love this applicator so much. This is just gonna be so nice to apply on the eyes. It's like not a standard applicator for concealer, and I already know I'm gonna love it. But this is what it looks like. It's very, very smooth. Really pretty. The next thing I got is a hair mask. It's from OUAI, and it's the fine to medium hair treatment mask. I've been wanting to try this since I saw that it came out because I love the way that OUAI products smell. To be totally honest with you, that's why I got it, because I love the smell of it. Smells good. But I've just been needing like a new hair mask to do a treatment on my hair every once in a while because I just want to keep it really nice and moisturized. Oh, this is kind of hard to close. There we go. Yeah, I've just been wanting to keep my hair really, really moisturized, and I just want to make sure I'm taking good care of it, so I needed something like this, and I'm excited to try that. And then the last product that I got was this adorable little mini set of the YSL Black Opium and the Mon Paris perfumes, which are literally the only two perfumes that I use in the world. I know there's so many good ones out there, but I know what I like. I know these are good. I know they smell good on me. So every time I go somewhere or I'm out somewhere, I keep a little mini version of my perfumes in my purse just in case I need to reapply. And I wanted to make sure that I wasn't running out because I was getting kind of low on both of them. So I had to get these little refills, and they're gonna come in handy to keep in my purse whenever I'm going somewhere, so I had to get that. But that is everything that I got for my haul. I definitely think I stocked up on makeup for a while, unless there's some new makeup reviews that I wanna try. I don't think I'm gonna just go into Sephora and shop around for a minute because it's expensive. But I'm really excited about all of these products. Like I said, some of them were refills, and then some of them are new products that I've been wanting to try, or products that have caught my eye that I just needed in my life. So I'm really, really excited for different reasons about each and every single one of these, and I'll keep you posted obviously in future videos on what I think about each of these products. So it's probably not the last that you'll hear about these unless I hate something and I end up having to return it, but I don't see that happening, or at least I hope not. So that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Sephora makeup haul. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Make sure to comment and let me know if you like them, if you hate them, what the deal is. And just let me know what you think about the products that I got, or just say hello. As usual, I love, love, love hearing from you guys and talking to you guys. So your comments absolutely mean the world to me. But make sure to give this a huge thumbs up for me if you haven't already and you've gotten this far into the video. Thank you. Thumbs up, please. And please subscribe to my channel as usual. I just love to see the family is growing. It's really, really exciting. So thank you guys so much. But stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.